Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I am Ayush and in this video we are going to learn what is precedence or order of operations. So let's get started. Precedence or order of operation means that which operation should be given with the most priority and which operation should be given with the least priority. In maths, we know the rule of BODMAS, which means that B stands for bracket and O stands for exponential value, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. As you can see here, B stands for bracket, O stands for square root or exponential, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So same in Python we have a rule of PEMDAS, in which P stands for parentheses or brackets, E stands for exponents, M and D means multiply or divide, and A and S means addition or subtraction. So let's get started with our coding. So I'm going to take a reference from this image. As you can see here, parentheses has the most priority while solving any type of question. Then comes followed by the exponents, followed by the multiplication and division, and followed by the addition and subtraction. So let's get started with our real examples. So for an example, I have a number 1 and I'm going to add it with 2. So when I add 1 with 2, I'm going to give a parenthesis here and another parenthesis here and multiplied by 3. If you're not familiar with these signs, you can watch my basic mathematical operation video, which is there in the description box below for the link. Okay, so you can see here. So what am I telling to Python? I'm saying that first, according to this rule, I'll solve this question. So when I run it, I'll get 9. So what did Python do here? Python just taken 1 plus 2, which is under the parentheses, and you can see here parentheses has the most priority while solving any type of simplification question. So I say Python that first solve this parentheses question and the sum which you get, you multiply it by 3. So when we add 1 plus 2, we get 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So now let me copy this and paste it here. Now if I take out this parentheses, I'm going to take out this parentheses and once I run it, it will show me 7. It is showing just a completely different answer. Why? Because now you don't have parentheses, which means multiplication has the most priority. As you can see here, multiplication has the most priority, then comes addition. So what does Python do here? Python just says that just multiplies 2 into 3, 2 3s is 6 and add 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So now let's take another example. So another example I'm going to take now. So for an example, you have a number 16 and divided by 4 plus 25 divided by 5. So once I run it, I'll get 9.0. So what did Python do here? As you can see in this rule, division has the most priority compared to addition. So what did it do? It just divide these two numbers and divide these two numbers, and the quotient of these two numbers is added, and so we got 9. But what if I copy this number and paste it here, and if I add a parenthesis here and another parenthesis here? So what do you think? Will you get the same answer? No. When I run it, I get 0.11 and something like that. So what did Python do? Python first solved the parentheses question, which comes as the most priority. So 25 plus 4, then it divided by this 16, and then the quotient it's divided by 5. So this was a very quick video. So we have learned about the parentheses. We have learned about the precedence or order of operation. I know it was a very small video, but this was very important video. So I hope now we have come to the end of this video, but before ending this video, you can just name a mnemonic like see PEMDAS. So to remember it, you can say like, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So you can use this mnemonic, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So this is the mnemonic which you can use to remember the line, which is PEMDAS. So now we have come to the end of this video. So we have learned what is precedence or order of operations. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Meet you in the next video, and goodbye.